everyone.
Hiya.
Hi, hope everyone's safe and keeping well. We thought we'd do another pop in the box subscription has come. I knew it was something like that. So we thought we'd show you what was in the surprise box.
Yeah, this is June's, isn't it?
Yeah, June. So
2-box subscription.
this is how the box arrived.
I'm
Now
very
I have opened it to check that there was okay. Phil doesn't know what's in there.
I'm not getting my hopes up.
This is the box. This is how it come. Stay a bit.
Hermes.
Yeah.
Great.
So this is June's.
Yeah, June's.
And you get 2 in this one. You
Yeah.
get 2 every month.
Yeah, 2 a month.
So
thumbs up what you want, thumbs down what you don't want.
Yeah.
And hopefully you do get what you want.
So I'll show you the drops.
There we go.
So first one. Don't know whether
I don't think the boxes are going to be that good.
they're alright actually.
Oh, first one. Ice Cube. I did thumbs it up. Back in the day when rap music was good.
Oh, it was him out of 22 Jump Street, isn't it?
Yeah, he's in more films nowadays.
And then CSI or something like that, isn't he?
Yeah.
I think.
That's okay. Have a look at it.
I told you they're not too bad.
But
There's a little bit marked on it, but it's not as bad as what the box.
looking at the box, got away with it really.
I had to make sure. So I have opened this one.
Yeah, Ice Cube.
It's quite cool. I like it.
Nice. Yes, there is one with the Impala when he's sat in the car, which I want.
Who?
Impala. It's like one of them cars that'll jump up and down.
Oh, seen a few of them in Florida last year.
So I tried to give him a hint, but they sent me the other one instead. Never mind.
You never know, you might get it next one.
It's alright.
Ooh. Disney one. Can you guess which one it is?
Too many to guess.
Quasimodo.
Oh, alright. There's quite a few of Quasimodos. We've got one, I think he's got cards, playing cards or something. I think I did thumbs this up.
It's alright.
So there's one with a crown. Yeah.
Not bad.
Conditions alright. Just the other box. Looks dodgy. Quasimodo. What's he carrying there? Just like a little doll figure. Looks like himself as a doll.
Oh.
Yeah, probably keep that.
Probably you will keep that.
Well, we have got another one, but
Have we?
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So
Yay.
yeah, thumbs that up probably. Right, so that's the
Pop in the box.
subscription, which is alright again. Forgot what I thumbs up, so can't complain. So now we're going to show you some. We've bought a few others.
Is it this one?
What? Yeah. So we're going to show you what we've got.
It's been opened.
No, yeah, I've opened it before. So this is from Double Box Toys. And it is Freddy Funko HQ. I had to pay a bit of over the top for it, but I just think it's a cool pop. I've not got any Freddy Funkos. And I thought I like that, so I've got it. It was $54.50, and then it was a £5 delivery. That's from Double Box Toys. So it was a bit dear, but I like it, so I got it.
It's cool. It's unusual, isn't it?
Yeah. I've not got a Freddy Funko one, so there's the HQ. Apparently that's in Washington. But the back and the side not very detailed, but the front love like the Freddy Funko there, and then the Funko sign there,
Will you get that with it?
and the crowns on the top there.
Where's the one that goes there? No.
Yeah, here.
Oh.
And there's the Freddy Funko that goes there. What the cool thing about that is, got like the uniform on and his shopping bags. So his pops in it.
Bit like you when you come out of Primark.
So I thought it's pretty cool that, so I thought it was worth the money. Yeah, so I'd say that was just under 60 quid for that. Which is a bit steep, but I liked it, so I got it. And that goes, stand up on there. Like that. Yeah, so that's that one.
Where are you putting that? He buys these pots and he's got nowhere where to put.
Let's buy some more shelves. Right, the next one.
Is it this one? That one?
Yeah, I got this from EMP.
I can't pick it up.
I wouldn't have got it normally, but
I thought I was on his tail.
I wouldn't have got it normally, but it's Jack Skellington on the statue. But there was like a sale. You know, sometimes they do like 20% off nighttime sale. So I got that, and it was only 17, and I found a 10% discount. So it cost me £16.19. So
And we love Jack Skellington.
yeah, I love Jack Skellington.
Anything
It's
Jack is
£16.19. Can't complain about that. So we got that.
You see how Jack and Sally in the background. It's also an Oogie Boogie.
Oh, that's a statue one. Up there, fell off his sleigh. Landed on there.
Cool.
Yeah, so let's say for a price. Great. And the final pops we've got is a pre-order from Pop in a Box.
I don't like these, so
Yeah.
Phil can take these out.
And is Killer Clowns from Outer Space. Love it. Love the film. Saw him at Halloween Horror Nights last year. So I already have one, so I got the others. So first one, Spikey. Like calling Spikey, yeah.
I think it says something to do with his nose.
There's this little balloon animal there.
Don't like clowns, do they? No. I don't like clowns.
Next one, Jumbo. There's Jumbo. Adding his mallet on his back.
This was a house in Horror Nights last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's a film. Like a B movie type film.
A what? B.
B movie.
Wall.
And the last one, Shorty.
There's only 3 of them. Was it 4?
No, there's 3. These come out obviously later, but one came out before. Let's show you these boxing gloves on.
You've got a phobia of clowns. I won't watch this bit. I am not bothered. I'm not watching this bit.
Yeah, so they're the 3 what came out, what pre-ordered. And this is the one that I already had. This come out last year. I got this in Florida at, was it Hot Topic, I think it was. So I bought this one. This is slim. And it's ready to go. Yeah, so I think that's the first one I've got a full set.
What's that one?
Hopefully there's going to be a 10-inch one. Clownzilla, hopefully.
No.
And I get that one.
No.
We'll see.
Cut.
And also, it goes with this as well. I got this from Halloween Horror Nights. That's slim as well, isn't it? I think. Oh, shorty. So, a nice little collection there. So, yeah.
Disney ones.
They're the ones that I bought in the past month. And
Okay, is that it then?
yeah, that's it.
So, if you've got any pops and have you subscribed to Pop in the Box, and if you have, what did you get?
Just let us know.
Yeah, just
In
let
comments.
us know. And also, there's going to be another vlog. You're just editing it all now, aren't you?
Yeah,
So it
sure.
should be up soon.
Yeah.
And at the end of the vlog, we're going to. Someone's asked us what equipment we use for vlogging and that. So we're just going to put it on the end because it's not that much really, is it?
No.
That we use. So we'll just put it on the end of our next video that should be up in the next couple of weeks. Will it? Yeah, because Phil's still working, so it's a bit hard for him to get them out at the minute. But you do it when you can, don't you?
Alright.
Yeah, and also I have just started making these. I've got a page on Facebook and Instagram, and this is my Hocus Pocus. Do you want to show that for me? Hocus Pocus band.
Yeah, there's one there.
These are not even on sale yet. This one I've made for myself because I love Hocus Pocus. If anyone wants my page, it's Tinks Treasures on Facebook, Tinks Treasures Handmade on Instagram. I only post within the UK though, so but go over and have a look and let me know if I can help anyone. So beautifully done. It's my model. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you really soon. So bye.
Yeah, really soon. Bye.